So these are some big rocks. All right, so we got prayer. How about something else that's important? Wow, finances. So, what does Proverbs teach us in chapter 27 about finances? Be diligent to know the state of your flocks. Look well into your herds. That's all proper planning in your finances. Balancing your checkbook. That's what Proverbs chapter 27 is talking about. Knowing what you have coming in and going out. Budgeting. That's a big rock. Right? So we need 3 more important things. How about it?
Taking care of yourself.
Okay, that's a very good one. Your health, exercise, proper diet. All right? What else? Job. Very good. You can make the money, but if you don't, at your job, but if you don't budget it well, you'll wind up in trouble. But you got to have a job. So job it's a big rock. It's actually, 8 hours a day. 1/3 of your day normally is caught up in your job. How about one more? Something just important. Anybody? And it may just be important to you.
What about rest?
Rest. We enter that, put that one with taking care of your body, proper health, nutrition. All right. Anything else? How about personal development? Or let's say this. How about learning to play the guitar or the piano or learning something else? See, those are important things. Does that scream at you? Let me ask you this. If you could do one thing, any one thing, what would it be? I want you to think just for a moment. And I mean one thing like, I don't know, it could be play an instrument or what? Learning Spanish or, I don't know, go on a vacation, go to Fiji, I don't know, one thing this next year. Somebody give me an example, an idea. What would you like to do this year? Well, maybe it could be even, what would you like to accomplish?
$5 quick bid.
What?
A winning $5 quick bid.
That's